city can be a chaotic place. But what if you had a machine designed specifically to conquer it? Welcome to the 2026 Zontes 368D. Built around the concept of folding the city, this scooter is all about agility, power, and cutting-edge technology. It's lighter, faster, and smarter than ever before. With a brand new high-compression engine and features usually found on premium touring bikes, Zontes is making a serious statement in the mid-size scooter segment. Today, we are diving deep into the specs, the tech, and the incredible value proposition of the new 368D. Let's ride. At the heart of the beast is a new 368cc single-cylinder, water-cooled engine. But this isn't just any engine. It utilizes forged-piston technology, which makes it stronger and more resistant to high pressure than conventional cast pistons. Combined with a BOSCH fuel injection system, the result is impressive. We're talking about a maximum power of 38.2 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and a massive 40 Newton-meters of torque at 6,000 RPM. Considering the vehicle weighs just 175 kilograms fully fueled, that power-to-weight ratio makes it incredibly quick off the line. It's punchy, responsive, and perfect for overtaking in urban environments. But where the Zontes truly shines is in the technology department. Step into the cockpit, and you're greeted by a stunning 6.75-inch TFT color display. It's not just a speedometer. It's a command center. You can choose from 4 different display modes, and a built-in light sensor automatically adjusts brightness. Through the Zontes Smart app, your smartphone becomes the key to the bike. You can lock and unlock it, open the fuel cap, and even pop the seat remotely. But the coolest feature? Screen mirroring. You can project your phone's screen directly onto the dashboard, giving you access to Google Maps navigation or even YouTube while you're parked. It also comes with a built-in dashcam feature, allowing you to view footage directly on your phone. With great power comes great responsibility, and Zontes has packed the 368D with top-tier safety features. Stopping power is handled by radial front brakes with premium J1 calipers from Spain, a brand known for high performance. This is backed up by a dual-channel ABS system on both the front and rear wheels. For slippery conditions, you get a TCS traction control system to prevent rear wheel slip. There is also a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, to keep an eye on your tires at all times. They've even thought about parking. The brake lever features a parking brake function to hold the scooter on inclines, and it will warn you if you try to ride away without releasing it. For daily use, the 368D is incredibly practical. The seat is manufactured using vacuum technology, designed to perfectly fit the driver's posture. Underneath, there is storage space for one helmet. Need to charge your devices? There is a fast-charging USB port in the left storage compartment with dual Type A and Type C outlets. The lighting is full LED all around, featuring 4 projector headlights that light up the night. And of course, it features keyless 3.0 technology with an IP67 waterproof rating, so you can keep the fob in your pocket even in heavy rain. The Zontes 368D is available in 3 exclusive colors for the Thai market: dark bright gray, extra black, and ginger desert brown. What do you think? Is the Zontes 368D the best value maxi scooter on the market right now? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.